Wha Gwann, everybody. Today, if you love to travel, you love food, and you're an adventurous eater, this is the place for you. There is stew haggard, there is curry haggard, there is jerk haggard. I hear them even have an escovitch haggard. This is Haggard Thursday. A 25-minute drive from Montego Bay along the Barnet River, through the windy roads and potholes, those massive holes that cost you a front end part there, a tired hair, passing the construction of the Montego Bay bypass, takes you to this place. We're in St. Irwin, checking out a thing called Haggard Thursdays. Haggard done in all different types of ways. That part of the hog that people would discard normally has a lot of flavor, a lot of fat, and a lot of meat. And here in St. Irwin, I'm reconstituting it and putting it in different ways.
So what kind of haggard you have, my boss?
You want to have a grill haggard, stew
Haggard.
curry.
The curry haggard too. Yes, my boss. Boss, everything. What kind of side you have with it?
On the sides now we have roast pepper. We have some fried out breadfruit. Yeah, bless up. And plus, I don't know, we have some banana fritters.
Yes, sir. Let's go eat fish too.
Fish. The people are going to
Yeah, deal with the haggard.
so,
Something for everybody.
for everybody.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So, how much haggard you do a week?
Yeah, man, like, me do like 12 haggard a week. That's like 140 to 150 pounds every week. And by
150
pounds
of
haggard every Thursday. And then stay. It's not staying.
So that means you have to get here early.
Yeah, early. Look
Yeah,
at the
man.
time of the year now, so them can understand.
309.
Yeah, man.
9 past 3.
Yeah, man, every Thursday, man. Every
And
Thursday.
you get active little later.
Little later, party time, active, so
Yeah, man.
you have the early part for people in a party can come get some food, and you know, little later, nice vibes.
Proper.
Big people thing.
Respect again.
Alright, manners.
Yeah, man.
I love, man, one family, you know.
Oh, you mean, man?
One team, one dream.
We're there, man.
Much of Jamaica's delicious stews originated in the days of slavery. Cheap cuts of meat were transformed into high-protein, hearty stews. And the head of the pig, or hog's head, was no exception. Using the entire head, from the cheeks, snout, ears, and tongue, pots were packed and bellies were filled with the gummy, rich flavor of hog's head.
All the ears are funny.
Everything upon them, man. Remember, see, I head in them, man.
Think ears are gone. What kind of thing that now, chef?
That's a sauce, this man, too.
That's the sauce.
Go on, man, with your things. You can stop eating, you know? It's a science.
Let's wait till the walk is science and a giant.
The sauce is being used to rehydrate the pork so that it doesn't dry out. A mixture of Scotch bonnet pepper, onions, and other spices provide great aromatic flavor with the right amount of heat.
Wha Gwann.
So, another salmon one tonight, jerk, you know? Okay. How would they go on the church pot?
On the play, I come to play.
Just in case you're not into hog or pork, him have escovitch as well. There's escovitch fish, there is stew hogged, curry hogged, there is jerk hogged, and I'm going for one more right now. So it's right on the roadside, real Jamaican street food, right along the river as well, here in Stein. Can't wait for try it, because you know if man just say it bad.
You see onion in my people. What kind of snow? Escovitch.
Okay.
That's needed. Alright, you can set me up right now. I'm not even gonna wait again. See somebody else get served. Yeah, man.
No, man, I'm not doing all I want.
I want. They face it.
Hey, sharp.
Yeah, man. I'm ready for my one. Right to the years up. Alright, I'm half of that years. Oi! Yeah, look at Trenton's.
Sorry, tongue.
Is that a tongue?
Tongue. You where you tongue it? You where you tongue it?
Yeah, man. Everything's no tongue.
You want mash up piece?
What do you mean, man? No, someone at my team. Let's rest though.
Hot round I can right into the fire, but this is the hog tongue hot. You wouldn't tell his tongue. Very nice, like a knife. Little fatty, little lean, but very nice, very smooth texture. Great flavor on it as well. Chef, I go on with some things more. No man, everything.
That's all.
I want a piece of fry.
Yeah, boss.
800. That's all. You know much food.
That is it. These thanks. I'm going to say exactly what I want. Piece of fried bread fruit. Look at that. You have the curry, you have the jerk, you have the stew. Hold on there. I get escovitch. I'm not saying escovitch. Alright, so take two. We had to go back and I had to get pepper, onion, curry. There's curry right here. There is stew. There's every type of Jamaican thing that you would want. It's just a variety of haggard, a variety of Jamaican cooking. I mean, we just tried hog tongue. It's not like pig still from one end to the other. But they have this stew and escovitch. The pepper looks amazing. The fat, there's lean, there's everything you want on it. And we have to dive in. That seasoning is on point. Seasoning is definitely on point. And get pizza, onion to go with that. Alright, so this says escovitch. The onion, not escovitch, it's just onion. Similar to a pan pork that you would basically get the pork, put it in the pan, that hot pan. You've seen it in Granville with Chef Gun. That's how it's done. But this isn't really pickled onions or anything. So it's just a raw onion, which I don't mind. I'm all over onions. And the Scotch bonnet pepper. This piece though, see if I can show you that. You see that? You can see the Scotch bonnet seeds all over that. That, my friend, is supposed to come with some serious heat, and it's part of the ears. It's coming. It's so gummy. Right. This is fantastic. This is the curry hoghead. Piece of that, look at that gelatin. It's just bouncing all over the place. You see that? That's all flavor around here with the fat and the piece of lean as well. That's a better pack. Better pack curry, that. Can't tell me nothing. Great curry flavor. Not a lot of heat, not a lot of pepper, but still great flavor on it. Try a piece of that jerk now, that jerk hoghead. Wow. That's another piece of the hog tongue. I'm telling you. Rastas, please, you can skip this one because this is just Trenton today. The ears. What can you say? It's just flavor. It's gummy. It's great texture, and just intense flavor. Very nicely seasoned. Not too salty. Just right balance of salt and savory that you get in between there. And that hint of breadfruit sweetness. I know people are going to be weirded out by this. You see that? Can you see it? That is the hair that is still on. It's been shaved off a little bit, but there's fine pieces of hair on it. And that's how you get an authentic hoghead. And I tell you the truth, I wouldn't even really call it jerk. It's because I'm putting that sauce on it. It's not really a jerk sauce. It's more of a roast pig, roast hog flavor that you're getting. The fatty parts are so intense with flavor. And each bite is a different bite. You can mix, you can match. One piece of this, that Scotch bonnet pepper. And make sure every piece gets a touch of that Scotch bonnet pepper. It's just, I can't ask for more, but you know we love the pepper. We have to have pepper and everything. I'm to go with 2 more bucks. Just flavor. There you go. That flavor of the Scotch bonnet pepper. Once you dip it on everything, you dip it on and you dip it like. I don't think we're supposed to say that again after one little circle of heroes thing. But anyway, touch it with the Scotch bonnet pepper. Touch it on, touch it again, and make sure it gets a touch of each part of it have that flavor, have that heat of Scotch bonnet. It's not overpowering. It just pairs well with the flavor of the hoghead itself. Heart of love. Manners and respect, brother. Give thanks, my brother. Heart of love, man. If you're not an adventurous eater, it's going to be hard for you. You see all of that hair follicles right there on it? It's even kind of tricky for me. See the hair on it, all of that right there. Look at the follicles coming up. I do believe that this is the ears, and I really want the ears wax. I think I forgot to skip that one there. I mean, that's as far as I go. I believe in an adventurous eating, but they're kind of too close. And I'll probably clean it out properly, but most people do clean the ears out properly. But let's move on. Well, There you have it, folks. I get Thursdays right on the riverside. Clips in our sponsor the video get out here. What more serene ambience can you want than this? Good food, good vibes, riverside. This is the same river I jumped into when Sonny was here as well. And the time hot. Don't blame me if I'm gonna take a chuck off.
Where's the going on, big boss?
Why we are damaged? A damage control we in right now. Mad.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
I get boss, you know?
Yeah, man. I get boss. Right,
Yeah,
so sign.
Sign Erwin on the riverside.
On the riverside.
Yeah, man.
Every Thursday.
Every Thursday. Live in living colors.
Tell me type of haggard
them
again
in
one
all
more
different
time.
style. You have grill haggard, stew haggard, escovitch haggard, curry haggard, and coming up we got more coming up.
Mad haggard boss.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, man. Heart of love. So that, I chop more and chop off.
I know something's alright when the corner listen.
I assuming.
Yeah, I see every Wednesday.
How so much duck around here?
You want to food them, every Wednesday.
You know?
Yes, I like.
You know, cook them too. Every Wednesday?
Every Wednesday we do prepping, man. With the haggard, man, you know, we have to get it together.
Yeah.
Every Wednesday.
So you prep from the night before?
From the day before.
And
so
make sure the seasoning soak.
So all of this taste we I get is not a 1 day thing, it's like 2 day thing.
Yeah.
Wednesday, prep all day, and Thursday we just come and just polish it off.
Man.
So when you're done, take a chuck off in the river, you know?
But some man I look like some mullet down that, you know.
And I will fish them down.
Man, I forgot to take a chuck off.
So let me see this.
Oh man, can't come a river and not put your foot in the water.
Oh man, I'm about to tell you that there's a saw.
Me hold it door.
Yeah.
A beer silt.
Yeah, that's not still.
I mean, the river come down already.
For 1 week.
Oh yeah, I forget to rain and fall. That's why you don't carry them camera coming on the river. I nearly bust my blood fire. I come down here. I want to spring this, I come after.
Yeah.
Water feels nice and cold now, right now. I swear. I probably sad say me no drop and bust me ass, but I have to chuck off. Yes, brother. I imagine me grow up a riverside and nearly bust my tutus. I go in a river. Alright. So I stick to the food. Nah. More haggard. More rivers. More adventures. Good vibes. Come check this place out. Someone I wash your face and I know who people up on top.